cleaning it all up. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip up on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me.
What's up, Heavenly Gang? Today we're gonna be making slime, and we also have a special guest named
London.
And also shouts out to our cameraman, and also
all of our social medias is down below, so do not forget to go follow all of us.
And also, let's get started with the video. So first we're going to be using the Elmer's All Glue. You can get this from the Dollar Tree. You can get this from the Dollar General. You can get it from Walmart. It don't matter where you get it from. So that's pretty much all you're going to need for this glue.
And second, you can get gang from the Dollar General, Walmart, or from some Dollar Tree stores.
And the last but not least, you could get this lotion from anywhere. It's cucumber, agave, smash, and you could get this lotion from anywhere. And that's pretty much all the three things we're going to be using for today. So first we're going to be pouring... More gas! You're doing too much! No nipple head! So, back to the video. We're going to be pouring this Elmer's All Glue. So, let's get started. So, let's pour it in here. I also took off the top so it will come out a little bit faster and easier. So, yeah. I think this is enough. Well, I'm gonna get all of it out. I just wanted to say I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, but let's get back into the video.
This is like an ASMR.
So now we're going to be pouring some of this Gain in here. So I'm going to pour it in this. So, oh dang, we need a spoon or something to mix it. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some of this Gain in here, and I'm going to pour this Gain in here in the glue slowly.
And our cousin actually went to go get us something to mix the glue with in the game.
I think we need some more Gain.
It's like a glue.
It can be a mix, you see?
Yeah.
I think we need some more.
I want it to be green.
Here, let me try. Let me do it.
I don't want it to be mixed.
I thought you said we both were doing 2 things. So it's turning out like a greenish color. I think it's because the activator is green.
So while she is mixing that slime, I also want to talk to you guys about the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away some slime. So whoever turn on their post notifications and like the video, subscribe to our channel and share, and also follow all our social medias, that's going to be the person that's going to be getting some slime. We're going to make some slime for you guys. So do that. And okay, so the slime is done so far. It's kind of like a clunky-ish slime. It's not kind of like a liquidy slime, but when we put the lotion in there, it's gonna get more like stretchy and stuff. So.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna put in the lotion, but you don't want a lot.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so our slime is finally done, And now we can throw it at you guys. Deandre, we're not finna do this with you again. Okay, so this video was a good success and we love this slime. And also, see you tomorrow later. Peace.
Down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling.